Next, we'll have a look at selecting data using conditions. Now, this is where we'll use the select statement, specifying the column name we'd like to select, specifying which table to select it from, and then we'll use the where statement to say where a specific column name is equal to a value that we specify. Now, there are a few different operators that we can use, which includes the following, where we can say it is equal to something, where we can say it is not equal to something. For numeric values, we can use greater than, less than, and then there are some other statements between, which will specify an inclusive range that you'd like values from. The like statement, which will select different patterns, and then the in statement. So let's have a look at a practical example. So first we'll use the select statement to select from the field make, which is in the table, let's say from cars. Then using the where clause to specify a certain parameter, we'll say where make is equal to Ferrari. Because it's a string, we encapsulate it in single quotes, terminate our statement with a semicolon, then Control-Shift-Enter to execute our query. And then it returns just the make column, which we specified, and then the make column where it is equal to the string Ferrari. So that works. Then let's create a select statement which will select everything using the wildcards, the asterisk wildcard. Say from cars where, let's say, ID is greater than 2. Because this is an integer value, we don't need to encapsulate it within single quotes. We'll terminate it with a semicolon and then Control-Shift-Enter to execute our query. So here it outputs all the fields that have an ID that is greater than 2. So everything from 3 upwards, and we have records until ID 5, so that's 3, 4, and 5. Then we can use the like statement. So let's select all the fields again from the table. Cars. Let's just try and keep the syntax neat and tidy. Where, let's say, make. Now the like clause, you can have it search for parts of a string. So the way we do that is we'll use the percentage sign. Let's look for all the records that contain the word or the letter F. And we need to encapsulate this within single quotes. Control-Shift-Enter. So there it returns Ferrari. That's our only field that actually contains the letter F. So let's do that again, and we will this time specify a character that we know is in more than one of the fields. And there we go. Lamborghini contains the letter B, and so does Bugatti and Bentley. So that is the like statement. And so you can use different clauses with your where statement and create a condition for your select statement and to narrow down the results that you get back from your query.